Open on. Stark black screen with white text. Narrator. A startup with no product made $47 million in 1 year. No employees, no servers, no overhead. Cut 2. Stock footage of AI code, neural networks, business graphs climbing. The founder didn't invent anything new. He just understood one thing that 99% of entrepreneurs don't. Pause. Text on screen. What was it? How do you turn artificial intelligence into pure profit without building anything yourself? Documentary B-roll, tech offices, startup founders, AI diagrams, API documentation. Narrator. Meet Jasper, founded in 2021. By 2023, generating $40 million in annual recurring revenue. They didn't build the AI. They didn't train the models. They didn't own the infrastructure. What Jasper did was exploit a gap between what AI could do and what businesses needed. Cut 2. Clean infographic showing the business model. They took existing AI models, GPT from OpenAI, Claude from Anthropic, wrapped them in a user-friendly interface, and charged small businesses $99 to $499 per month to use it. The business model is called AI as a Service, and it's the fastest-growing revenue stream in the startup ecosystem right now. Here's why it works. First, businesses are desperate for AI solutions but have no idea how to implement them. They need someone to translate technology into tangible results. Jasper positioned themselves as the translator. Second, the barrier to entry is artificial. You don't need to be a machine learning expert. You need product design, marketing, and customer obsession. Jasper had all three. Third, the unit economics are insane. Once you build the software interface, the marginal cost per customer is nearly zero. Every new subscription is almost pure profit. Jasper raised $125 million in venture capital. Today, they're valued at over $1 billion. But here's the plot twist. They almost failed. Transition. B-roll. Failed startups. Bankrupt offices. Sad founder montage. Narrator. In 2023, investors poured $91 billion into AI startups globally. By 2024, 73% of those companies had either shut down or pivoted away from their original business model. Why? Because founders made the same critical mistake. They thought the product was the AI. Text on screen, wrong. The AI is just the engine. A founder in San Francisco spent 18 months and $3 million building a proprietary AI model that could write better marketing copy than Jasper. It technically was better. Marginally. Maybe 5% improvement in conversion rates. But the market didn't care. Because she had no distribution, no brand, and no way to tell businesses about it. She eventually sold the company's assets for $400,000. The lesson investors learned the hard way. The AI itself is a commodity. What matters is the business model around it. Let's look at the graveyard of mistakes. Mistake number 1. Building proprietary AI when open source AI is already good enough. ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, these models are free or cheap to access. Building your own model costs $10 million minimum. Unless you're solving a problem that requires a different kind of intelligence, like specialized medical diagnosis, you're burning money for ego. The smart startups skip this. They use existing models and focus on packaging, distribution, and customer success. Mistake number 2. Competing on price instead of on value delivery. 12 startups tried to undercut Jasper by offering the same service for $49 per month. Guess what happened? Jasper didn't blink. They kept their prices, improved their product, and expanded their customer base. Why? Because customers don't buy on price. They buy on results. They buy on how much revenue or time the tool saves them. Jasper positioned themselves as a revenue-generating tool, not a cost-saving tool. That's a $400 difference in monthly pricing power. Mistake number 3. Treating investors like ATMs instead of teachers. Most founders pitch AI startups as the Uber of Extin or the Netflix of YA. Investors have heard this 10,000 times. What they want to know: do you have a defensible customer acquisition strategy? Can you retain users? What's your unit economics math? The founders who win are the ones who obsess over business model first, technology second, transition, clean graphics, simple animations, numbers in bold. Narrator: if you're launching an AI startup right now, you have 3 viable paths. Model 1, the subscription SaaS play. This is Jasper's model. Charge recurring fees for access to an AI interface. Examples: Midjourney, $30 to $120 month for AI image generation. Runway, $12 to $76 month for AI video editing. Copy. AI, freemium model with paid tiers. Pros: predictable recurring revenue, high margins, easier to fund and scale. Cons: crowded market, requires constant product improvement. Churn is your enemy. Model 2, the enterprise license model. Don't sell to individuals, sell to corporations. Charge them 6 figures or millions per year for customized AI solutions deployed on their infrastructure. Examples: Scale AI. Charges enterprises $500K for customized AI data labeling and training. Databricks, $50K 1M plus per year for enterprise AI infrastructure. Pros: higher revenue per customer. Longer sales cycles mean more retention, less price sensitivity. Cons: slower sales cycle, need serious enterprise sales team, smaller customer base. Model 3, the API infrastructure play. Give developers or other companies access to your AI capability through an API. Charge per usage or per token. Examples: OpenAI charges businesses per API call, pricing $0 to $0 per 1K tokens. Hugging Face charges companies for hosted AI model inference. Replicate charges per API call for access to open source models. Pros: massive scale potential, asset light, network effects as you grow. Cons: race to zero pricing, high infrastructure costs, requires significant technical infrastructure. Narrator: here's what separates billion-dollar AI startups from the graveyard. They all chose one of these models and became obsessively good at it. They didn't try to do all 3. Jasper didn't try to license to enterprises and offer an API. They focused on subscription SaaS until they dominated that space. Scale AI didn't try to sell $30 month subscriptions to individuals. They went after enterprises from day one. This focus is what gave them the capital efficiency to survive and grow. Text on screen: the answer. Narrator: remember that founder who built a $47 million company with no product? His name is Logan Smith. He created a website that aggregated various AI tools, ChatGPT,